How to gather evidence for an annulment case in India. In India, the process of gathering evidence for an annulment case involves collecting relevant documents, testimonies, and other forms of evidence that support your claim for annulment. Hello and welcome to Law Nano. We are here to help simplify Indian family law so you can understand your rights and options. Navigating divorce, alimony, child custody, and other family legal matters can be overwhelming. That's why we provide clear, concise information and resources to empower you on your journey. On our website www.lawnano.com, you will find guidebooks plus articles covering key topics like choosing the right lawyer, building your case correctly, and tips to resolve your case effectively. We break down complicated legal stuff into actionable advice you can use. Whether you need help understanding the law or want to know how to get started in a family law case, we have got you covered. The legal process does not have to be confusing. Visit our website today to get the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. Just click the link in the video description below to get started. Now let's continue with the rest of this helpful video. Here are some steps you can follow. Consult with an attorney. It is advisable to seek legal counsel from an experienced family attorney who specializes in annulment cases. They can guide you through the process and provide specific advice tailored to your situation. Identify grounds for annulment. Understand the legal grounds for annulment in India. Some common grounds include lack of consent, fraud, impotence, mental illness, or a spouse already being married at the time of marriage. Determine which grounds apply to your case. Gather documentary evidence. Collect any relevant documents that support your claim for annulment. This may include marriage certificates, photographs, communication records, financial records, medical reports, or any other documents that can demonstrate the grounds for annulment. Obtain witness testimonies. Identify witnesses who can provide testimony supporting your claim. This could include family members, friends, or individuals who have knowledge of the circumstances surrounding the marriage or the grounds for annulment. The statements or affidavits can strengthen your case. Document incidents or events. Keep a record of incidents, events, or interactions that relate to the grounds for annulment. This can include instances of fraud, coercion, lack of consent, or any other relevant details. Maintain a detailed timeline and include any supporting evidence such as photographs, emails, or text messages. Seek professional evaluations. In cases where grounds for annulment involve mental illness or impotence, professional evaluations may be required. Consult qualified medical professionals, psychologists, or psychiatrists who can provide evaluations or reports supporting your claim. Preserve electronic evidence. If there is any electronic evidence relevant to your case, such as emails, text messages, or social media posts, take appropriate measures to preserve that evidence. Screenshots or printouts should be authenticated and submitted as evidence. Prepare and organize your evidence. Compile all the gathered evidence, organize it in a logical manner, and make copies of all relevant documents. It is crucial to maintain the original documents for submission to the court. Work with your attorney. Collaborate closely with your attorney to ensure all necessary evidence is included in your case. They can help you strategize, review the evidence, and prepare the necessary legal documents. Present your evidence in court. During the annulment proceedings, your attorney will present your evidence to the court. Be prepared to provide testimony and answer any questions related to the evidence you have submitted. Remember that the specific requirements and procedures for gathering evidence may vary based on the laws and practices of your jurisdiction. It is essential to consult with a qualified attorney who can provide guidance tailored to your specific case and location.